Guys, welcome back to one more video. Today, let's see about string. So, what is string in Python? In all the languages and the Python language, string is a continuous series of characters delimited by single and double quotes. Especially in Python, we have a triple quote string also. So, what is continuous series characters? Let me take a word called something. So, this is double quoted string and single quoted string. This is single quoted string. And there is triple quotes. We can define triple quotes and we can say something. So this is a continuous series of this is a character. S is a character, O is a character. So this is a continuous character. This will become a string. What and also string is a immutable objects. What is immutable objects? Once the memory, if the memory is defined for the string called something, which can't be changed forever, that is called immutable objects. Suppose this in compiler this something will be stored in particular memory, and this memory will not be changed. If you modify the string, then this modified string will get stored in somewhere memory. So this memory will not be modified. That is called immutable objects. So let's see in practical. This is a string. Sandy is a string, double quoted string. I'm assigning to a variable called name. So let's see in practical. See this is a double quoted string. Sandy, I'm assigning to a variable called name underscore str. Okay. So sorry, I'm trying to print this value. Let me print it. Okay. So I got a value Sandy. Okay. And what is string indexing and string slicing? Before going to it, let me explain you what is string immutable. So what is string immutable? See here, I have a two variable which is name underscore str and name underscore str1. Okay. Let me try to print this one. Both are having a same string, Sandy and Sandy. So it tries to store in a same memory, that is 456 and 456. To find a memory, use id function. Now I am trying to modify the string, that is this is string concatenation. I am trying to modify name underscore str1 saying good. So it will try to print me Sandy good. Sandy good, it will try to print. If you see here, I'm trying to find a id for this, and also let me print this value now str1. See here you got the value Sandy good. If you see here, the magic had happened again. 440, the new memory is allocated for this variable. When at this stage, when at this stage, the both the memory are the same, 320 320. When you try to append some string with the older one, it try to give you new memory location. So this is called immutable. So string is immutable in Python. Let me go ahead and explain you what is no indexing and slicing. So in programming language, everything will be seen as index. Suppose you should not start with no zero in sorry, one in programming language. The count starts from zero. Always index will starts from zero. Let it be list, let it be string, let it be a dictionary, whatever data structure you have, the number starts from zero. Always the index starts from zero. So a programmer should always start the number with zero, not from the one. Okay. So let me uncomment this and show you what is indexing here. Always it is starts with zeroth index, so it is not a first one, so it is 0. Suppose I have a Sandy here, SANDY. So how actually it stores? S is 0 index, A is 1 index, N is 2 index, sorry, it is 2 index, D is 3 index, Y is 4th index. We have 5 values but 4 index. This is how system will try to handle it. Let me print 0, so it will print only the S value. So this is called indexing. Suppose if I say str of 4, it will try to print me a Y value. If I say 2, sorry, or 3, it will try to print me D. D is my value. Okay, let me execute this. Did you see this? D. D is my third value. And what is string slicing? If you take a list also, we can do slicing. Let's see next video. What is string slicing? String slice means what? We are slicing some value, and actually it is a starting index you have to give, and you have to give end index. Suppose you want from SAN only three letters you want, so you have to provide here 0 is to 3. Okay, and also if here you notice here I'm giving you 3. Always when you are doing slicing, it will give you -1 value. It means 0 1. If you want SAN to be printed on Sandy, you have to give 3, 0 to 3. This last value will be ignored, only SAN will print. So if you give 2, obviously it will print only SAN, it will not print N. SA it will print, it will not print N. So you have to be very careful here. It is not end index, it is end -1. So always you want to print SAN, you have to give third index, including D you have to give, then only it will print Sandy. So let me show you here what okay, see here SAN I am giving you till 3, but uh, if you take it as an end index, it should print a D also, SAN sand. But in Python it works as -1, so you have to give always extra one index to print a slicing. Okay, quickly let's go into our document, and there are two inbuilt functions, odd and character, which returns the ASCII code of the character, or ordinary, and CHR is character represented, which returns the ASCII number of the characters. Let me uncomment this and show you. See this? So ORD of C. So C is 99. So 99 will be my ASCII character of C. And 98, what is the value of 98 is B. Okay. So this is the two inbuilt function where I want to show you. In We have inbuilt functions or length, length, minimum, and maximum. And these are string comparisons, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, greater than or less than or equal to. Okay, and equal to, not equal to. And using string we can loop the variables. Let us see practically here. See this? There is a string comparison I'm doing here. Let me say print Sandy equal to Candy. Is it? It will say me yes or no. It is true or Boolean literals. So it is false. If I say yes, Sandy is equal to Sandy, obviously it gives me true. Uh, to find out a length of a string, you can say print length of name underscore str. Okay, already I have a string here, so let me copy paste it here, and modify the value is minimum. Let us see only a better length here. so that not to get confused. See this, first it will print only the length. My value as an sandy, it is 5 values, so it tries to print me print, sorry, 5. Let us see looping in string. So let's see what is for loop and looping in the next chapter. But let me show you how iteration it works on for loop using string. See this is a for loop syntax. Syntax will be for a variable in for and in will be a keyword, and what is your iterator. Iterator you have to give here end with a semicolon. Then you can use inside your for loop body whatever you want, you can print it or you can do any calculations here. Okay, so if you see here, here my iterator is string. You can say something here, you take something. I'm trying to print each and every time, so what it tries to print something. Let's see this, you got it. SOMETHIING. Let me talk about for loop, separate video and deeply. But string is an iteratable. We can iterate our string also. Hope this video was good. Let's catch you in the next video. If you have any question, comment below on the comment section. Subscribe, how much ever you can share it. Thank you guys.